Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon. Hi, this is Sao's IT specialist and member at Web Development. Flipper Zero, a playful-looking device resembling a Tamagotchi, has become a significant talking point in the cybersecurity world. This small, portable device is packed with tools that can interact with various digital systems, from garage door openers to infrared devices. Its user-friendly interface and open-source nature have democratized access to technologies previously confined to specialized professionals. This accessibility has sparked both excitement and concern, raising questions about the potential for misuse and the ethical implications. It's equipped with radio frequency modules, allowing it to transmit and receive signals across multiple frequencies. This functionality allows users to interact with a wide range of electronic devices, opening up possibilities for both harmless experimentation and potentially malicious activities. The device's compact size and portability further enhance its appeal, making it a convenient tool for security researchers, hobbyists, and those with more dubious intentions. The Flipper Zero is a multi-tool for the digitally curious. Its primary feature is its sub-GHz radio, capable of transmitting and receiving signals on a wide range of frequencies. This allows it to interact with garage door openers, car key fobs, and various other wireless devices. Its 125 kHz RFID reader-writer allows interaction with access cards and other RFID tagged items. Beyond radio frequencies, it also boasts infrared capabilities, enabling control of televisions, air conditioners, and other infrared-controlled appliances. The device's versatility extends beyond its hardware capabilities. Its user-friendly interface and readily available documentation make it accessible even to those with limited technical expertise. The open-source firmware allows for customization and expansion of its functionalities, catering to the needs of advanced users and developers. This combination of hardware and software features makes the Flipper Zero a powerful tool for exploring the digital world around us. The device's small size, rechargeable battery, and portable design make it ideal for on-the-go use. One of the most common uses of the Flipper Zero is interacting with garage door openers. Its sub-GHz radio can be used to capture and replay the signals used by many garage door opener models. This functionality allows users to open their own garage doors without a physical remote, providing a convenient backup option. However, this capability also raises security concerns, as it could potentially be misused to gain unauthorized access to other people's garages. Beyond garage doors, the Flipper Zero can be used to interact with a variety of other devices. Its RFID reader/writer can be used to clone access cards, providing convenient access to secured areas. This feature, while useful for authorized personnel, also presents a security risk if misused for unauthorized access. The device's infrared capabilities allow it to control televisions, air conditioners, and other infrared-controlled appliances. The Flipper Zero can also be used as a learning tool for understanding radio frequencies and other wireless communication protocols. For security professionals, the Flipper Zero can be a valuable tool for penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. The Flipper Zero's intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it accessible even to those with limited technical expertise. The device's simple menu system and clear instructions guide users through various functions. This ease of use has contributed to its widespread adoption among hobbyists and security enthusiasts. The availability of extensive documentation and online resources further enhances the Flipper Zero's user-friendliness. The official website provides detailed information about the device's features and functionalities. Online forums and communities offer a platform for users to share tips, tricks, and troubleshooting advice. The open-source nature of the Flipper Zero's firmware allows for customization and extension of its capabilities. Users can modify the existing firmware or create their own plugins to add new features and functionalities. This flexibility allows users to tailor the device to their specific needs and interests. The device's affordability further contributes to its accessibility. For in-depth details of Flipper Zero for Hacking Tool, check our website, CyberHowsIt, link in description. Section 5, Real-World Scenarios, Flipper Zero in Action. Security researchers have utilized the Flipper Zero to identify vulnerabilities in various electronic systems. By simulating attacks and analyzing responses, researchers can pinpoint weaknesses in security protocols. This information can then be used to develop patches and improve security measures. Hobbyists have employed the Flipper Zero for various creative projects, from automating home appliances to building custom remote controls. The device's open-source nature and flexible interface allow for a wide range of applications. Online communities showcase numerous examples of innovative projects utilizing the Flipper Zero's capabilities. In some instances, the Flipper Zero has been used for less benign purposes. Reports have emerged of individuals using the device to gain unauthorized access to secured areas. Law enforcement agencies have also taken note of the Flipper Zero's capabilities. Section 6. A gray area. The ethical implications of simplified hacking. The Flipper Zero's ability to simplify traditionally complex hacking techniques presents a significant ethical dilemma. While it can be a valuable tool for security researchers and educators, its ease of use also makes it accessible to individuals with malicious intentions. This raises questions about the responsibility of the device's creators and the potential consequences of making such powerful tools readily available. The democratization of hacking tools raises concerns about the potential for increased cybercrime. The Flipper Zero's ability to bypass security measures could be exploited by individuals seeking to gain unauthorized access to systems or data. This could lead to financial losses, data breaches, and disruption of essential services. The open-source nature of the Flipper Zero further complicates the ethical landscape. While open source promotes transparency and collaboration, it also makes it easier for malicious actors to modify and adapt the device for illegal purposes. Striking a balance between fostering innovation and protecting against potential harm is a crucial challenge in the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity. Section 7. Security concerns and vulnerabilities. The Flipper Zero's ability to interact with a wide range of electronic systems raises concerns about potential security vulnerabilities. Many devices, including garage door openers and access control systems, rely on outdated or weak security protocols. The Flipper Zero can exploit these vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access or disrupt normal operations. This highlights the need for stronger security measures in these vulnerable systems. The device's ability to capture and replay signals raises concerns about replay attacks. A malicious actor could capture a legitimate signal, such as a car key fob transmission, and then replay it later to unlock and steal a vehicle. The increasing popularity of the Flipper Zero has led to a rise in online tutorials and guides demonstrating how to use the device for various hacking techniques. While some of this information is intended for educational purposes, it also provides a roadmap for individuals with malicious intent. The potential for the Flipper Zero to be used in targeted attacks against specific individuals or organizations raises further security concerns. Section 8. The double-edged sword, accessibility and responsibility. The Flipper Zero, like many technological advancements, presents a double-edged sword. Its accessibility empowers individuals to explore and understand the digital world around them, fostering innovation and learning. However, this same accessibility also carries the risk of misuse, potentially leading to harmful consequences. Balancing the benefits of accessibility with the responsibility of preventing misuse is a crucial challenge. The device's open-source nature and user-friendly interface make it an attractive tool for both security enthusiasts and malicious actors. While the open-source community promotes collaboration and knowledge sharing, it also provides a platform for individuals with malicious intent to develop and distribute harmful tools and techniques. The ethical considerations surrounding the Flipper Zero extend beyond the device itself. The broader implications of democratizing hacking tools raise questions about the future of cybersecurity and the need for robust security measures to protect against increasingly sophisticated attacks. The responsibility for mitigating the risks associated with the Flipper Zero falls on multiple stakeholders. The future of Flipper Zero and similar devices. The Flipper Zero's emergence signals a trend towards increased accessibility of hacking tools. As technology advances, similar devices will emerge with more sophisticated capabilities. This raises questions about cybersecurity and the need for adaptive measures. Proactive security measures are essential to keep pace with evolving threats. AI and machine learning can detect and prevent malicious activities in real time. The future of cybersecurity will involve technological advancements and increased awareness.